Hi, I'm Lori Fangio with Around the Table, and I'm a food blogger and chef instructor. And today I'm in the kitchen showing you how to make cupcakes a work of art. Okay, so I'm ready to start to turn my cupcakes into works of art. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a chocolate garnish, and I've melted just a little bit of chocolate and put it in a zip top bag, and I'm just going to clip the tip off. And I've got a tray already here, and I've lined it with wax paper. You can use wax paper or parchment paper, whichever you like. And I'm just going to take my chocolate and I'm going to use it like a pen, and I'm going to make little shapes. And so one of the first things I'm going to do is I'm going to do a couple of hearts. And it's okay if it's not perfect. I mean, this is artwork, right? So we can get creative. And now I'm going to do kind of a little lattice design. This is one of my favorite garnishing techniques, and we're just going to go back and forth with the chocolate until we get a little crosshatch mark. Okay, so I'm just going to put this in the refrigerator for just 2 or 3 minutes until the chocolate hardens up. Now that my chocolate is hardened, it'll pop right off of the wax paper very, very easily, and you can see what a nice little garnish this is going to make. So I'm going to go ahead and get my frosted cupcakes, and I'm going to use some mini chocolate chips just to give this just a little extra garnish. And I'm just having to press them in just a little bit. All right, and then watch how pretty this looks. I'm just going to take my crosshatch design and just push it right in the top, just like so. And now I'm going to make one of my favorite designs, and it's a tie-dye cupcake. And again, I'm going to just make sure my frosting doesn't have a crust on the outside, because we need it to be really soft in order for this to work. And I've colored some frosting 3 different colors. I'm going to start with blue in the center, and I'm just going to make a circle, and then outside the blue I'm going to make a circle of green, and they don't have to be perfect. Just basically we're making rings around the top of the cupcake. And then I'm going to use pink. Those are the 3 colors that I've used. I'm going to take a regular toothpick and just run it through the frosting as I spin the frosting around, and it creates this really pretty tie-dye effect. And one of the things I know is kids love this, so this is a great one to let kids do and also to serve at a birthday party. And again, I'm Lori Fangio, and we've been in the kitchen today making cupcakes look like works of art. Be sure and take some time to get your family around the dinner table. See you next time.